Good morning. Making myself some iced coffee today. Today it was raining outside. It's always a fun bit. It's okay. I just don't want the whole place to smell like wet dog. That would make me mad. Wet dog smell. That's the only thing. Which I know it's gonna happen, but it's okay. A little watery. Went for a walk, and now I'm eating an apple. Right, doggos? Drop it. Give me the ball. Drop it. Drop it. So, along with dog sitting, I also have to keep up with my social media stuff. So, I am going to be editing my photos and posting my photos. That's what I'm going to be doing right now. Okay, doggies. Let's put your collars on. Yeah, there you go. All right, Ella, come on. We have such a hard time putting on your collar. Come here. I have to chase you on. Come here. Come on. Come here. Give me your face. Ella, girl. Animals. All right. Okay. It's so disgusting out here. Like, actually, it's quite gross. It's so bad. We're gonna go walk around the block, guys. Come on, let's go. Yeah, dog sitting, super easy, super chill. And you can like multitask, get a lot of work done while doing it. So it's always good. It's about noon. It's about 12:30. So, all right, come on guys, let's go. Come on. There's a lot of cats around here, so they like to eat cat poop. Never a good sign. Ever. I take them on the same walk. I mean, I try to. I try not to, but sometimes we go on the same walk and they pee in the same spots. And then they sniff in the same spots. Like, all right, come on, let's not eat the grass. I don't want to pick up your throw up. That's what the dog owner said. She's like, oh, you know, they throw up. I'm like, well, I'm not gonna have them eat grass. And they haven't thrown up yet, knock on wood. So they just like to eat grass and stuff they're not supposed to, and that makes them throw up.
You know, it's all geopolitical. Yeah.
Just listening to some random video. I don't even know, honestly. I fell down such a hole in YouTube these past couple of days. I mean, weeks. That I don't even know what I'm watching anymore. I don't even know how my algorithm, my For You page got how it is, but it's so far from okay. But anyways, I'm just scheduling my shorts. So for the next couple of days, I don't really have to worry about the timing of things because you have to post at a certain time. So I'm going to go ahead and get those out the way. And then like if I want to post something extra or whatever, I could just post it whenever I want to. Or whenever I make it. So I don't have to, you know, keep hold of that. But for these, I'm specifically just going to do them at the correct times. I just fell asleep for 2 hours straight. I was not expecting to do that, nor did I want to. But it happened. Now it is what it is. Lost time. That's always so fun. I think I'm gonna turn on a movie and I might do some computer work that I need to do. So, go. Do they have HBO Max? If they have HBO Max, I'm about to watch Euphoria. Just binge it. Because HBO Max is one of those platforms that have certain things. Oh, they do. Bet. Triple bet. They have HBO. So guess what I'm watching? Euphoria. This is great. It's so humid, my lens is fogging up. Sunset. Dog walking. Alright, come on, guys. Okay, we're excited this morning. We're excited. Okay, let's go for no jumping. No. Okay. You go for a walk, okay? Okay. Here we go. Okay. It's so humid out here, my lens is fogging up. I took the dogs for a walk. I vacuumed this place again. Now I'm going to be doing some business. I got recently accepted into a creator program. Keep making shorts today so that I can have those backlogged. Hopefully I can make all of them on my list. But it's kind of hard because I don't have my hard drive, which has all of my video clips from past on it. So that's pretty frustrating. I should have grabbed it when I was at the apartment, but we're going to do our best with like the same footage that we have, just kind of like cutting it different. So that'll be a challenge within itself, but I think it'll be okay. And then sign up for this other stuff for this creator program. Although I'm not really doing much. I'm just kind of like spamming, if you will, on a separate account. So I don't know. Brands are wild these days. I'll tell you that much. They'll do anything for people's attention and views. That's the business these days. Your attention is money. Okay, so today is Saturday. Dog sitting yet again. This is like day 3 that I've just been kind of sitting here with the dogs. I binged watched Euphoria, the entire season, yesterday, which is why I didn't film anything. But I binge watched the entire season, and I feel like every season of Euphoria, it just gets weirder and weirder. Like, I somewhat don't even like know what it's about anymore, the concepts of it. I just watch it because like there's just actors that I like in there, and it's just interesting to like see how far they're willing to go. I don't know. It is also crazy to me that Zendaya made $1 million an episode, and there were 6 episodes. So she made a total of $6 million filming this TV show. That's crazy. That season, just the season, it was $6 million. She knows how to highball these people. I'm telling you, in Hollywood, like every movie she does, she rips in money. Like, I don't know what is in the water with Zendaya, but she uses her popularity as an advantage when it comes to pricing out how expensive she is. But I love that also about her. I'm just such a Hollywood geek, and I just know all these weird things just because I'm interested in it. But anyways, I'm gonna film a podcast. Unfortunately, it's not with the camera that I want to film a podcast with, because this camera keeps like stopping recording. This is the ZVF1. It's like but you know what? It's whatever. So I'm gonna film the podcast. It's basically just gonna be like a bunch of sleepover questions, even though it's like morning. So all right, I filmed everything on this, and I find out that this is prone to overheating, so it automatically stops the recording to prevent the overheating issue. That's why it stops at like random points. Good to know. So the video is filmed. Now I am probably going to make breakfast. It's 10:30. I haven't really eaten anything except for an apple this morning to take my medicine with. So now I'm going to be probably making breakfast. Feel a little bit hungry, not really, but I should probably eat something. So good. Eggs and avocado. Probably like one of my favorite things besides donuts. Watching Wuthering Heights. I saw this movie in theaters, but it's good. I just wish that, like, there was a happy ending. I hate the ending of this, but I like the build up. I just won't watch the ending because it makes me depressed. But but otherwise, it's a good movie. I just can't stand the ending. I vouch a lot of people should just end all movies on a happy ending. It just makes life a lot better. It makes me want to watch the movie a lot more. Everybody loves a good happy ending. Don't make a sad, depressing ending. Always give me a happy ending. You got a ball? You get a ball, Ella. Come here. Drop it. Drop it, Ella. Ella, what you doing, girl? Love the doggos. What you got, Ella? Tonight, I am making pasta. Now, because I eat alone, I only make pasta for one. But actually, I make pasta for leftovers. I'm watching Marty Supreme. What a great movie. I've watched it on the flight home from Nebraska. It is such an amazing movie. But you're like, Lauren, why are you telling me that you're cooking pasta? Well, I want to tell you why I'm cooking pasta. I'm cooking pasta because it's not really the pasta, but it's what's going in the pasta. Now, a lot of you guys might think I'm crazy, but I am a big fan of tuna. I'm a big tuna aficionado, and I think you can tell where this is going. I put tuna in my pasta for protein. It's kind of like meatball chunks, but it's fish. You know, you gotta go around this pescatarian lifestyle here. It's the same concept. You're just putting fish in place of the meatballs. I don't really know if that's really Italian or not. I am part Italian, but I don't really follow much Italian rules. Only the gold chain and, you know, the familia. It's a great source of protein, and it's very lean in quite about everything. You guys might think I'm weird for that, and I agree, it might be a bit weird, but there's going to be tuna in my pasta. Also, this pasta is not just any regular pasta. This is gluten-free. I forget where the package was, but it's gluten-free, so it won't feel heavy on the stomach. Even though I do like my gnocchi, and it does sit like rocks, but this is gluten-free pasta because I got it for free, and you never don't eat something, especially when it's free. So that's on tonight's menu. Got the fire truck down there. I don't know what's happening, but there's like fire truck and an ambulance, I think. Absolutely ridiculous. So dumb. So last night, there's dog hair in my apple. Last night I went out, hence the getting gas. That was the last scene you guys saw. First off, gas is astronomically expensive. $30 was all I spent. And I knew it wasn't gonna fill up my car, but I didn't really care. There were cops everywhere, and I indeed almost got pulled over if this guy next to me wasn't speeding faster than I was going. I was going 60 in a 50, so like 10 over, right? That's like the max you can probably go before, you know, you're on the cusp of getting pulled. But the guy next to me was going a little bit faster than me, and this cop pulled out. And I thought the cop was gonna come after me. He was pulling out and speeding up, and I was like, shoot, I hope it's not behind me. and he sped up behind this other car and he put his yellow lights on. And then I don't really know what the yellow lights are for, so if you guys know, let me know. I don't know why they put the yellow lights on. Is it like caution you're going too fast, like slow down or get over? I don't know exactly what the yellow lights were for, but then he turned on his blue lights, his like cop lights, and then pulled him over. It was like a 25-minute drive, and I saw, like, no joke, 6 cops. It's because today's the 24th, right? They're trying to hit the end of the month quota. But they're out ready to eat today. Not really today, this week. They are everywhere. South Florida is not a joke either. Anyways, had a good time. Came back at like midnight and fell asleep. Right now it's 8 o'clock. I just took the dogs out. So yeah, about to get some coffee, take my meds, and then honestly, I might edit and watch Marty Supreme. So thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. My Patreon page is down in the description below, so if you want any more behind the scenes videos, any more budgeting, travel wise, I have PDF guides on my Patreon page if you guys want to go check that out. It's useful stuff. I have different tiers. Go check it out. And then I have all my Amazon affiliate links, so if you want any of my gear, camera equipment, go check it out as well. Everything is in the description. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Enjoy life. Live it up.